Alright, today in the shop, I'm going to be making one of my favorite pen kits. That is this bad boy right here. Bolt action. I'm going to be making it with a nice diamond cast shiny blank. Gonna make it real shiny. Alright. So blank's already cut up. I think it's cut to length. I'm going to drill the hole for it. Yeah, it's cut to length. Drill the hole for it. Sand it down to length. And get this bad boy turned. So stick around and see how this one turns out. So let's get this drilled. And then we'll get it sanded, or use the sander to get it to the exact length we need it. And then we're hunky-dory after that to turn this and to make a gorgeous bolt action pen. Let's get to it. Alright, gonna get my tubes inserted here using my handy dandy tube insertion tool right here. If you haven't seen this video, I'll put it right there. Right there. I think it's right there. It might be over here. Who knows? It's one of these corners. Anyways, go check this out if you want to make one of your own. Oops. That is not correct. Alright, so the reason I sand those is to get it right down to the barrel. Don't know if you guys can see that on the camera. Get it right down to the barrel there to make sure that it works perfectly the way it's supposed to. These mechanisms in the kits, there's not much room for error there, so you want to be quite flush with your barrels. Not too short, not too long, just right. It's the Goldilocks of pens. Right, got my bolt action pen kit loaded up here. Bring the rest up to it. Pull out the handy dandy pen genie. Should probably rotate that soon, but let's get to turning. What? What, Boogie Butt? Grandma tell you you're riding it backwards. Yeah, that's not how you ride a broom.